Married to medicine star Contessa Metcalfe and her husband Scott joined forces in court over a real estate deal gone south. Around the same time they decided to save their marriage from divorce. According to court documents obtained by RadarOnline.com, on October 3, 2023, Contessa and Scott sued Chattahoochee Equity Partners, CEP, for breach of contract. The couple said they entered into a deal with CEP to purchase a property in Atlanta, Georgia for $1.1 million. Contessa and Scott said they were zealous in upholding their end of the bargain, and complied with all terms and conditions of the binding purchase contract. In the suit, the couple claimed that at some point after entering into a binding contract with them, CEP determined that it could sell the property for more money. It was upset that it had contracted to sell the property to Contessa and Scott for less money than it could sell the property to other potential buyers. Motivated by greed, CEP tried to maneuver, or bribe, out of the contract by offering Contessa and Scott a large amount of money to cancel their purchase contract, the suit claimed. Contessa and Scott said CEP's broker offered them $25,000 to terminate the deal. The broker claimed CEP no longer wanted to sell the property. Contessa and Scott turned down the offer because they wanted the property. CEP became agitated, uncooperative and evasive. Specifically, it failed to furnish the necessary documents and records to the closing attorney in an effort to thwart the sale and expire the contract. Simultaneously, however, CEP, who falsely claimed to have changed its mind about selling, was advertising, showing and offering to sell the property to other potential buyers but at a substantially higher price. The suit claimed, CEP did not want to sell the property to the plaintiffs, rather, it wanted to sell to another buyer at a higher price so that it could realize more profits. In sum, the defendant developed seller's remorse and attempted to bribe plaintiffs to back out of the contract. In the end, Contessa and Scott said they were unable to complete the purchase before the contract expired. As a result, they said they suffered financial harm including the costs incurred in connection with the failed transaction, the loss of the opportunity to purchase the home, and emotional distress. The couple demanded the court order CEP to sell the property to them under the terms of the contract. The reality stars dismissed the lawsuit in October before CEP filed a response. As RadarOnline.com first reported, the lawsuit came months after Contessa secretly filed for divorce from Scott in March. In the petition, she demanded primary custody of their children and support. Contessa dismissed the case in November before Scott even responded. Based on social media, the couple have fully reconciled and look happier than ever.